So, lady... Alright, wrong intro. Guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. I cannot believe it. I cannot believe it. Look at this box here. I actually have this box in here in my office for 5 months already. And I haven't touched it. So guys, as you see obviously from the title, in this video we're gonna unbox this cutie here, this drone, the DJI TELLO. DJI TELLO is actually a small drone. It's actually considered more like a toy, I think. But anyway, this is my first drone. I have never been owner of a drone. I never operate actually a drone by myself. We made actually a very interesting video with Lys Megalodon Pantelis. You can find like a Raiden SKG. The Pantelis, my friend, which we made about in Greek. Actually, we made in Greek, and was talking about how to fly a drone properly. And we made actually a very successful video in Greek. It's going very well. You can find it in the description below. And until then, I haven't purchased a drone, and I always wanted. And those of you who have followed me, of course, you know that I want a drone for sure. I throw my GoPro just to take some shots in the air. Now you're gonna see a drone footage from the beach. I have done it also. So today is the day we're gonna unbox the DJI TELLO here, guys. We're gonna see what's in the box, and right now I'm gonna tell you what this drone can do. It's actually pretty nice, pretty decent drone for each price. The DJI TELLO actually, as you can see, is powered by DJI, but it actually made from another company. It made from a Ryze Technology company, which is based in Shenzhen in China, and it's actually a startup company established in 2017. And this actually, DJI TELLO, is their product and is their first product. And they did something very clever. They combined DJI flight system and of course the Intel processors. So they actually combined the best technologies in this product, and I think it's very successful for a drone under 109 euros. Here in dollars it must be 100. Alright, so let's unbox it, see what's in the box, and after we're gonna go to fly it. I don't even know what's in the package. First time I'm opening it, right? Okay. Ta-da-da! Okay, that's the box. It's like ordering food. Look at that. It's actually protecting it very well. And 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! What's that? Salt? Silica gel. Do not eat. Okay, I wasn't intending to. This is a drone. Wow! My God, the drone. It's very light. It's like a toy. Oh, it's like a toy. I cannot believe it. So look at this. I can bring my car here, and it's the same. See that? This is a small car. It's the same almost. So we have here on the box the battery, very small battery, and a charging cable, I suppose. So these three things, and the papers. Oh, and one extra propellers. So that's what is on the box, guys. This is just paper. So we get the drone, we get the battery, we get the charging cable, and extra propellers. That's it. So I'm gonna charge it, and we're gonna be ready to go outside and fly it. What about that, huh? While the TELLO is charging, let me tell you about some specs of this small drone. The TELLO drone has its own app, the TELLO app, and you can operate the drone with your phone, or if you're looking for more precise control, you can connect a controller or even a VR headset. It is very nice that the drone comes with propeller protection, as a small drone like this you wouldn't resist to fly it indoors. On the one side of the drone you can find the power button, and on the other the micro USB port for charging the battery. The drone cannot accept a micro SD card, as everything that you capture will go straight to your phone memory. On the downside of the drone you can find some sensor, that is the vision positioning system of the drone, which help in precise hovering and is actually performed very well even if you try to push the drone with your hand. In the front of the drone we can find the camera that can take photos of 5 megapixels and record the video at 720 pixels with 30 frames. The electronic image stabilizations work pretty good with taking pictures but not performing very well while recording a video. Tello's weight is only 80 grams, and that means that you don't need to register your drone with the FAA. The maximum flight of the drone is 13 minutes with its 1.1 ampere 3.8 volt detachable battery. The maximum height it can go is 30 meters and the distance is around 100 meters. The maximum speed that the Tello can go is 8 meters per second. Okay guys, so we came outside and we're gonna try all the features that Tello drone have. Okay, so let's start with auto takeoff. With auto takeoff, you can take off your drone with just clicking a button and after sliding the button on the right, and the drone will automatically take off.
And now we're gonna do the auto landing again, same button.
With auto landing, you click the same button and just tap to land, and the drone will go down for the landing. Here there is the second option to land in a hand, very good option if you don't have any flat surface. And there is an option to throw and go, so you can take off the Tello drone by just throwing it up in the air. That's amazing. Another fantastic feature that the Tello have is the AD flips, where you need just to slide on the screen and the drone will perform a cool aerial stunt. Amazing, right? If you select the bounce mode, the Tello will fly up and down automatically. It's kind of a trick as well. If you select the cycle mode, the Tello records a short video while flying around in a cycle. With up and away, the Tello will record a short video while flying up and away, very good for cinematic shots. And with the 360 mode, the Tello will record a short video while spinning around 360 in a place.
Everything what's around. Now it's making automatically, so it makes one round. Okay.
Lastly, the Tello includes the Scratch. Scratch is a programming system in Tello that allows you to learn coding and program how the drone will fly and how it's gonna do the tricks. And that was my review video of the Ryze Tello drone. At the end of the day, the Tello is a drone with many special capabilities and it is made to just have fun with it. I hope you like it guys. If you do, don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.